Hey there! If you're gearing up for your WAEC or JAM exams, and the term scale of preference keeps popping up, don't worry, I've got your back. So, what exactly is a scale of preference? Simply put, it's a list of your wants or needs, arranged according to their importance. Imagine you've got a limited amount of pocket money. You want a new pair of shoes, a cool backpack, and maybe a snack after school. But you can't have everything at once, right? The scale of preference helps you make smart choices. Let's break it down with a simple scenario. Suppose you're given 5,000 naira. You jot down what you'd like to buy: shoes, a backpack, snacks, a new math set, and some mobile data. Now you rank them. Shoes might be the most important, so that goes first. Maybe you really need that math set for your upcoming exams, so it's next, and so on. This list, from most important to least, is your scale of preference. The idea is, when resources are limited, like your money, time, or even energy, you should spend them on what matters most. Now, why does this matter for your exams? Well, economics is all about making choices because resources are scarce. The scale of preference shows up everywhere, from government budgets to your personal shopping list. In your exam, you might be asked to define it, draw an example, or explain why it's important. Here's a pro tip for remembering this. Think of it like making a playlist of your favorite songs. You always put your best jams at the top, right? That's your scale of preference in action. But there's more. The item you give up because you can't afford everything, that's called your opportunity cost. For example, if you buy the shoes and the math set but can't get the snacks are your opportunity cost. Let's recap. Scale of preference is a ranked list of wants or needs. It helps you decide what to choose when you can't have everything. It's all about maximizing satisfaction with your limited resources. The next best thing you miss out on is your opportunity cost. So next time you're answering a question about choices or opportunity cost, start by thinking about your own scale of preference. It's a practical concept you'll use way beyond your exams. Alright, that's the quick lowdown. Hit pause, jot this down, and let's smash those exams together. Good luck!